Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Listing this front section of a frame 7681. It's an early one. The shock towers are a giveaway. Otherwise, the later ones are weld on. You can use this on a later one, but that is something that is different on them. It's in good shape. There's no rust on it. We don't usually cut frames, but the back half of it was no good. So we take what we can get, because a lot of people like the little small sections. Sometimes that's all they need. So there's no rot on it anywhere, no cancer. Actually, most of the black you see is still the factory paint on it. And I just like to give a quick overview. I'll flip it over for you and give you a shot of it upside down so you can see everything and know that we're not hiding anything. Sometimes online it's hard to trust people, but we've been doing it a long time. 303-666-9020, jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame. If you go up to the search bar and type frames in, it'll pull up all of our frames. Yeah, appreciate taking a look. Thank you.